I was going to show y'all the game. Well, not game. It is a game, but anyway, that's not the point. I was about to show y'all the game I was working on. It's rock paper scissors basically, as you can already tell when you look at it. But yeah, when you click on it, let me just show y'all the code because I'm almost done. I went ahead and did everything. So this is the welcome page. It was 1 second. Welcome dot design. Okay, this is a welcome page, right? If you're going to play one player, I haven't done the 2 players and 3 players. I'll do that in another video. But if you're going to say one player, is once you click on it, it's going to take you to right over here. And when you click on the whatever they're doing, is it this? Not there. Whatever thing you're playing, is it this, right? Once you click on it, it will activate the code. So this is if you click paper, right? Once you click paper, this rank is going to create a variable called random, and the random is going to have a random sets from 1 to 13, and then I try to make it as long as possible, so there's a lot of chances. I don't know if that's how chances work. I didn't really check. So just so there's a lot of chances that the user will be able to, so it would not be unfair, basically. I just didn't want to do 50-50 because 50-50 is like over a long period of time. It's like if one player keeps getting the same day over and over again after a long period of time, then they're gonna get some. Not there. If the computer keeps doing the same thing over and over again after a long period of time, the computer will start making it 50-50. But till then, it's still gonna be unfair. So I try to make it long as possible. I think that was called the law of large numbers. Try to explain this the best as I could. So I did the same thing for this. If they click rock, it's going to run this program, create the variable int for 1 to 13, and do the same thing for this. Alright, this. And now we're about to create, let me get right over here, where they're going to be able to see the score. It already said it, so that when they click on it, and whatever thing they show is going to show the score, whatever. So let's do that. Add new item. So we might have to close and open it back up, but it's no problem. Alright, so Windows. Let's see, what are we gonna call this? What are we going to call this? Keeper. Let's just call it Keeper. Shoot, I really do need to go back to Typing Club because this is sad. Sad, I tell you. But let's see. Dang, it's gonna take a long time. Kinda crazy. Hopefully we don't have to open it up and close it back again. We'll close it and open it back again. Let's just cross our fingers. Dang it. But before we have to open it and close it back again, first let's do this. So that way once we have it, it's gonna be all saved and stuff. Enter. Go back over here. Let's include the header file called is it called keeper, right? And then save. Then we'll go down here. Go down. Alright, so then we're gonna create the object keeper. Not keeper is not the object, but that's not what I was trying to say. So we're gonna do the keeper and create the object. Let's call the object wild. Ooh. Okay, wild. And it's gonna say GC new. Open up new page. Keeper. Close. Wild. Show. So dialog. Oh. Alright. Let's just do. Alright. So I know usually when I'm doing the go to a new page, I usually add this hidden, this hide, not hidden. But I'm not adding it this time because I don't want to hide it, because I still want them to be able to, that when they click, let's give it a second, that when they click score, I still want them to be able to see the whole thing, so that whenever the thing change, they can still see it. Does that make sense? Right. Well, we're not going to add it, so we're just going to go back right over there, delete this. Alright. Save one more time just to be sure. Close it up. Come on. Alright. Ignore this. Ignore that too. As administrator. It's going to take forever to load. Oh my god. But once it loads, we should be able to run it right after. So now we just gotta wait. Wait, no, we will not be able to run it because I still need to make a few edits on the keeper form. Alright. It feels like it's faster than before, if that makes sense. Cause like, if y'all watch my other videos, it takes a long time. So long for no reason. No man, it's not faster. Alright, so hey, now my thing being slow. Okay, so let's go to keeper should be okay. It's right over here. Alright, so what we want to do in keeper It's basically, it's not gonna be a big page. I actually want it to be small and stuff. Oh, come on. Oh, my dude. Okay. So I actually want it to be extra small. So, nothing much, nothing much. First, we're going to need a button. Let's just put it right here. Let's make it large. And it should say calculate score. Let's make it about 25. Tools B. Let's try 18. No, 15. No. Hey, nice. Let's change this. Oh, so ew, no. That's alright. So if you're wondering how I was able save. So if you're wondering how I was able to do the picture for this, so all you gotta do, it's not that difficult. All you gotta do is click whatever you want to make a picture. Like this, let's say we want to make the button a picture. So right over here, where you say background images, you just click it, click this, and you're supposed to have the image that you want to make a picture into already saved on your computer. So you just click it. Let's say it's this, but I don't want to. But you see the point I'm trying to make, right? It's that easy. Okay, now we make the labels. Alright, label 1. And we're going to call that computer score. Let's make it extra large. I just like things to be visual. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. So maybe 15. 15 should do. Yeah. And for that, we are going to need to do this. Alright, so now we make another thing called your score. No. It's just going to be way better if I just copy and paste. So happy to make that possible. So just right here, make sure it lines up. And we are going to change this from computer score to your score. Alright, so, and now all we gotta do, paste, computer score, paste, and right here, hit calculate whenever you want the most recent scores. That's too long. 10. Hit calculate whenever you want the most recent scores. Still too long. 9. Hit calculate when you want recent score. Bless me, my bad. Okay, and then we might have to delete this because there's a point. Copy, delete, paste. Alright. This, you just gotta go back a little bit. Maybe we just make it bigger. Just a little bit bigger. Move this right over here. Alright, so alright, that should be good. Okay. Hit calculates when you want the most recent scores. And now let's save one more time. So what did they call this? Let's take a note of that. Label for your I'm writing it down on a piece of paper. And label 3 is computer. So what we need to do, can we turn a function into a string? Oh. No, we cannot. There's no point. We're just gonna do it the easy way. And we are going to say label, not capital, label for text equals to give me 1 second. Score. Let's see that real quick. And we set add to user. That's not what we're looking for. I should be looking for a .cpp. Score.cpp. And we said user and computer. Okay. So we should just say label score equals to system. And the reason we're doing it is because the user score is in int. So we have to convert it into string, system string. So to string. Alright, and we are converting user, which is label for. Oh, right, because we didn't save it into, let's see, include, what are we including? Score.h. Right, that should fix it. And now we save one more time. Now we go back to this. Let's score.cpp. I did. See, score.cpp. User s on define. Score.cpp or score.h? Oh, CPP, because I define it in CPP, not H. Sometimes I be so slow. Like, I be kids. But it should work now. Why is it still giving me? Okay, look, right. Okay. And then right over here we're gonna do label for text system convert to string, and we're going to do computer. That's what we put it as, computer. If we're wrong, it's going to show error. It shouldn't. Alright, that should be all. Let's try it out. Is that an error? Please tell me that was in the error. Yo. It's loading to slow, I can't tell. Oh, it said building failed. Oh my god. Alright, so let's see. Add user already defined. score.avj. So they're the same error. So let's see. Last time when this happened, score, and the error happened mostly in 1p. 1p obj, score obj. Welcome obj. Never mind. Oh, it said one more. And add to computer. Welcome obj. Welcome. Let's see. Welcome.h. Did I ever put add to computer welcome.h? No. So let's see. 1p. I'm calling the function, not the name. Like, it's now I don't know what's up because, like, last time I did this when I was just this line, it worked, but this line doesn't work. Maybe there's an gotta look carefully. I'm gonna pause the video right here, fix the errors, and show y'all. I fixed it. Took a while, but finally fixed it. So turns out the problem, I don't know if you read the error, but turns out the problem was the variable. They said it was already declared. So I was thinking, I was like, maybe because I can't declare, not declare, I can't define it in more than one .h file. So because I added it right here, and then I was added a year too, trying to change it from string to whatever, and then .p I was adding it right over here for the if statement. So I was like, oh, that's a lot of adding. So then I started thinking some more. I was like, okay, what can I do? So first I was like, maybe I have to declare the functions as inline, saying that the functions are going to be used more than one in more than one file. But that didn't work. But that did reduce the amount of errors, so it got me thinking a little bit. Maybe it's not the function, maybe it's the variable. So I changed the variable. I changed it from because you can't use inline for variables, so I had to use extern. But I used extern in the .h file because I was like, maybe that's how you got to do it. But it didn't work. It was saying on recognizable something. I forgot the error. So I was like, maybe I didn't initialize it. So I said extern computer equals to 0, extern user equals to 0. That worked. Well, that didn't work. It didn't work. So I was like, okay, maybe the whole problem is I got it in the wrong file. So I was thinking, I was like, okay, let me change it to the right file. So I changed it to my .cpp file, which is where I define my stuff, and that did work. Well, I didn't see any more errors, so let's try it out. Alright, it looks like it's working. Oh, see, it did work. Alright, so because I haven't done this 2-player and 3-player, I should say third instead of 3, but that doesn't matter. So let's click the 1. So you can see right here, they click it, it says scissors, and let's say show score. Computer got 1. Remember, it's 1-0. Keep notes of that. Paper hit, it's still 1-0 because it's paper, right? Hit again, rock. So that means the user's supposed to have 1. I gotta change that. Rock, paper. Yeah, I gotta change that. I'll change it later. Paper. Let's see. Now this is flabbergasted. Maybe I had too many mistakes, so it kind of confused me, so I mistook it. So I'm going to change it, do a few edits later. To, and that was what? Scissors. No. Paper. So the computer has one. Oh no, I will have one. Alright. Rock. I will have one. Rock. No, I wouldn't have one. So yeah, I gotta fix a few things, but for the most part, it did work. At least there's no errors. It's just some what's the word? Thought errors on myself. So the computer works perfectly fine. The game works perfectly fine. I just got to go back in, change it a little bit, and I think the next time I'm going to change in another video what I'm going to be doing, where I am going to do the third player and the second player. I'm trying to decide how I should do that, because like I can't do multiplayer yet because I'm not that good in programming yet. But I'm trying to decide. But when I figure it out, I'm gonna post a video on it. See y'all later.